Welcome to Parent Canvas Bootcamp. This is Roger Bright. Today we're going to go over checking grades and finding assignments on Canvas using the Parent Canvas feature. As soon as you log into Canvas, you'll see the school homepage. To be sure I'm seeing the same thing you're seeing, I've logged into my parent account, which is why you see information for Plant High School instead of Coleman. One of the first things you're going to want to check as a parent are grades. In Edsby, you could see an overview of all of your child's grades on one page. Canvas does not have this feature, and to check your child's grades, you'll have to check each class individually, or as Canvas calls them, courses. To do this, you must first click on the courses icon on the far left side of your screen. Hover your cursor over the course you desire to check and left click. For our example, we will choose U.S. History Honors. Each class will probably have a different looking home screen. Some may be heavily decorated with standard documents like a syllabus or class procedure. Some may not have a special home page at all and may use the assignments page or the modules page as their home page. What each class will have in common is the blue menu that appears on the left. To check your student's grade for a particular course, left-click on Grades as you see in the menu on the left side of your screen. One of the first things you want to check is to make sure you're looking at the grades for the current quarter. You can see this in the menu that says Grading Period near the top. If it is not showing the current grading period, left-click the drop-down arrow and select the desired quarter. After you've selected the desired quarter, then left-click Apply. In the upper right corner, you'll find your student's current overall grade for that class for the quarter. For each of the individual assignments, you can see your student's score on the assignment next to the total number of points possible. For my class, the only concern I want you to have as a parent is the score. If you see your child has a full score, but Canvas also says missing, don't worry about it. There are a number of reasons it may say missing, but still be a completed assignment. Just worry about the score. If an assignment says 0 or has an X, that assignment really is missing, and we're going to need to look it up. You're going to notice that if you hover your cursor over each assignment, it looks like it's going to turn into a hyperlink. Logic would dictate you could click on the hyperlink and it would take you to an assignment. However, as we've learned with Canvas, not everything is logical. And if you click the hyperlink, it won't take you to the assignment. It will take you specifically to the submission history for the assignment, which, if there's a 0, we already know the submission history is it hasn't been turned in. To find the assignment, write down the name of the assignment and then left-click Assignments in the menu on the far left. Here we're going to look for the Du Bois assignment on the very bottom. Once I get to the assignments page, I want to check to make sure I'm showing the correct quarter. Here we see Q2 2021 for the second quarter of the 2020-2021 school year, which is right where I want to be. Now I'll go through the list to find the Du Bois assignment, and then left-click on that assignment. For this assignment, there isn't a lot of information, but there is a document embedded as well as some other information. I can see that it's due on November 18th, it's worth 6 points, and it's to be submitted online by uploading the file. All of this information you can see immediately under the area that it says Du Bois, Washington, Garvey. Most of my assignments are paper assignments, especially the classwork assignments, and it would say on paper next to where it says submitting. To access the assignment, your student just needs to click on the hyperlink. Clicking on the link has opened a fillable document for the student to complete. On your student's Canvas page, there's also a blue Submit button for them to press when finished to turn the assignment into the teacher. It's also important that you are able to tell the difference between assignments like homework, classwork, and projects, and assessments like quizzes, tests, and exams. When you hover your cursor over the assignment, the word assignments, or homework, or classwork, or project will appear under the title, letting you know this was not some sort of test or quiz, but an assignment that needs to be done and filled out and handed in to the teacher. All assessments will have the words quiz, test, or exam in the title. Additionally, when the assignment is highlighted, the word assessment, quiz, test, or exam will appear under it as well, indicating that this was an assessment instead of a regular assignment. To make up an assessment, your student must contact me via Canvas with a day and time they would like to come in to make up that assessment. District policy prefers missing assessments be made up before or after class if possible, or during an elective if the student can't get to school early or stay late. I am usually at the school anywhere between 7:30 and 8 o'clock, and with the exceptions of Tuesdays where we usually have some sort of staff meeting or subject meeting, I'm usually available in the morning for any student to come in to make up an assessment. Additionally, I'm available most Mondays and Wednesdays immediately after school, as I'm coaching robotics with Mr. Jonas, and students can make up their assessments with me in room 83 after school on Mondays and Wednesdays. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact me via Canvas or by email. As more information comes out and more helpful hints appear, I'll try to get more of these out to you. I know as a teacher, the switch to Canvas has been difficult and at times incredibly frustrating. From my conversations with parents, I know it's been the same on your end as well. So we're in this together. Hang in there. And if you need something, give me a holler. Bye.